Crisp air, golden leaves, and that craving for something warm, earthy, and comforting. This mushroom and tarragon soup, it tastes like fall in a bowl. It starts with earthy mushrooms and soft, starchy potatoes. Peel and chop those and heat your oil. Onions in first, and then we follow it up with garlic. The kitchen already smells incredible. What's your favourite soup when the weather turns cold? I'm always looking for new ideas. Mushrooms in the pan, soaking up that garlicky flavour. Then the potatoes. They're here to give that soup that velvety, smooth body. Lid on and let them sweat. A few minutes later, pour in your chicken stock and bring it to a gentle boil. Lid goes back on and let it simmer. At least 30 minutes or until the potatoes are soft and you can crush them with the back of a spoon. Time to blend with an immersion blender, get everything silky smooth. Now stir in a spoonful of creme fraiche, pinch of tarragon, plus salt and pepper. Blend it once more and then taste it. Adjust the seasoning if you need to. This is comfort in its purest form. Ladle it up, top it with a swirl of creme fraiche, and serve with warm, crusty bread. If this recipe hits the spot, drop a like and subscribe for more cozy dishes like this one.